Hello, everyone. Can you guys hear me?
Yeah, I can hear you clearly.
Okay, how are you actually? How can I call you actually?
I'm great. I'm perfect. You can call me Hunter.
Okay, got it. Thank you. And I can see another of your account that is as a text. Is that from your end?
Sorry, what? What's the question?
Like another account I can see. May I know, like, you are only one from your project or and anyone else?
I think my colleague gonna join us, but I don't know what is he doing right now because he didn't reply my message. So maybe only me
Okay, no problem.
because it's 1 a.m. here. We are in America, and maybe he already went to sleep.
Okay, no problem, actually. So, Dino, I think we can keep continue. But before that, let me thank you all of our listeners who are listening today and people stay tuned with us if you want to know more about this one actually. They will know more about the blockchain and also their project that is Kai and so on. Here is Dino. Could you please introduce yourself first? Like, how do you connect this one? And could you share a bit about your journey in the blockchain industry?
Yeah, sure. I mean, okay. So I'm very glad to be here to join this AMA, and my name is Hunter. I work for Kai as a North American CEO. So, I'm not those people like come from the Wall Street. I study digital media university, no finance. So I came into crypto with like a quite fresh perspective. My first hands-on experiences came from working at a Web3 search engine startup. So that opened my eyes to both the math and the magic of the blockchain, and I found really into it. I joined Kai like about 6 months ago. I tried to help build a platform that actually fix the pain points I saw. So I try to make the centralized exchange industry a better place. That is like what is my vision. Yeah, thank you.
Okay, thank you. Happy to know about yourself, your experience as well as, and also wish you good luck for this project actually. So it's time to know more about the Kai actually. So, guys, if you have any more question after the discussion, you can raise your hands. No problem. We will take a question, but let me proceed with our discussion first one. So, may I know the core vision of your project actually? Like, how does it aim to revolutionize the crypto space, especially within the future or derivatives?
Yeah, yeah, absolutely. No, Kai's vision is to make like high performance derivatives trading accessible to everyone, not only those professional traders. We combine AI strategy tools like ultra fast executions and also intuitive UX. Our goal isn't just like to be another future platform. We want to redefine how people interact with volatility. We are building a trading engine for the next generation of DeFi. Yeah, that's
Okay,
our
got it.
vision.
Yes, definitely. Thank you. And also, guys, you can check out their Twitter. They already announced a lot of things, so you can check this out if you want to know more about the Kai. I think. Thank you once again for explaining this one. So, may I know like a little bit about the history behind this creation? I think like people are very much interested to know the creation or like the history behind this creation. Actually, just bit about.
Like the creations?
Like the inspiration or history behind this Kai actually, like why did you get the
Oh,
motivation?
okay, got it. Like our history of the company, right?
Yes,
Is that
definitely.
question? Okay. So we started like about 6 months ago, as I just mentioned. We were quite new in the market, but all our team members, we have office in Dubai, in London, in Beijing, in North America, in France. Like we are in everywhere. So we were like working 24/7. We try to build a really good experience to central exchange platform. So uh, our investment team were from London, were from China, and they actually put a lot of effort on this project. You know, it's we are doing this thing very seriously, and we know that. Yeah, we know that crypto is the future, decentralization is the future, and I believe because all of our people and all our vision, we can achieve our goal quite shortly.
Okay, thank you for this one. I think like a lot of way to go actually, guys. So nothing to worry. And stay tuned with them. And also you can do trade from the Kai actually. You can check out their website which is kai.com. And like you want to know more about their products, their supportive activities, just do it. So like as I say, Kai is an AI native centralized virtual asset exchange that the platform dedicated to creating an ultra-fast, secure, and efficient asset trading experience for the users worldwide, actually. So that's the bit about. So let's take another question. Why do you believe that the derivatives trading is crucial for next wave of DeFi adoption?
Well, I believe because it brings the real utilities like risk management, capital efficiency, and strategy. So without derivatives, DeFi stays in like a passive mode. We then like users actively control and grow their positions, and we can make more profit. Users can make more profit by the derivatives. It's a bridge between holding tokens and like trading like a pro. You know, a lot of people they only holding like Bitcoin, Ethereum, Solana. But if you try really want to make a bunch of money, just try the derivatives. Yeah, just try it.
Okay, thank you. Got it. I think like guys, the derivatives trading is very crucial for the next wave cause like of the DeFi adoption because it adds the depth and maturity and the broader functionality to decentralized markets actually. Like by enabling users to the hedge risk and also speculate on the asset prices, the increase the capital efficiency and derivatives that are more sophisticated traders. I think so. So thank you, got it. And let's take another good question actually. Like from your perspective, what are the biggest micro concepts that about the crypto future trading?
Uh, well, so I suggest that a lot of people want to make money, want to make some profit by that. But that isn't just like about gambling with leverage. That's not true. Good derivatives trading is about like timing, about planning, right? So with the right interface and tools, anyone can trade smart. Our job at Kai is like give users that edge without the complexity. So we want a user make money. Some of our users may think we just want to make profit from them, but we wanted them to win money by the leverage. So so I believe that is not gambling, just like another very smart strategy to making money to invest. Yeah, thank you.
Okay, thank you. Actually, I made a mistake about the. So if I talk about the my perspective, like I can add more. So
Hmm.
one of the biggest the misconception about the crypto futures trading is that it's purely and high like a high risk gambling tool for the agents and also speculators. While it's
Yeah.
true that the levers can amplify some kind of risk, the crypto features also they serve important purpose like hedging, the risk management, and portfolio production that is especially in the volatile markets. I think so.
Mm.
Yeah, guys, do your own research, and I think Daniel already added more. Okay, here's the last question from introductory part. Then I will go for some Twitter questions. So, in Web2 that is still truly decentralized, like I don't think so. Like some people they say that Web2 is centralized or decentralized, but what do you think actually? Like, how does Kai view today's centralization?
I know. It's hard to explain the internet history. We have Web 1, we have Web 2, we have Web 3. So, Tim Berners-Lee, he invented the World Wide Web. He tried to make the internet free space, but the things doesn't work like that. We have a lot of companies like monopolies in industry, and they try to make money. So they took control of the internet. And users like for me, like As is just a no people. I want to own the digital assets. I want to get my right back. So I like decentralization, this kind of concept. But right now, the part of Web3 is like drifting back towards central control. We can't ignore that. Kai believe in practical decentralization. We believe in shared control, transparent systems, and on-chain clarity. We don't like overpromise, but everything's built moved in that direction. Decentralizing isn't a checkbox; it's like a process. So we want to bring the decentralization back into the world, back into the system. Yeah, thank you. That's the answer.
Oh, yeah, got it. Thank you for your opinion. I think it's very, very crucial question, or you can say the complex question actually to like find out because in practice, many Web2 platforms that like to the operate in hybrid model, like while the underlying blockchain protocols are decentralized by design, layers built on top, such as like the wallets, infrastructure providers,
Yeah.
and the governance structure also. I
Hmm.
think like the Kai that your project that believes that scalability, security, and decentralization, like while many system lean towards the centralization for speed and I can say the coordination. So the Kai views today's I think the centralization challenges as a wake up call to design more transparent.
Yeah, absolutely.
Okay, yes,
Right.
definitely. Thank you. I can see so many hands are blinking. So, guys, just give us a few minutes. I'll get back to your questions. No worry. So, I have collected some questions from Twitter. The first question for you: what makes your future offering different from the latest like GMX, DYDX, or Binance?
It's a hard question. It's a tough one. We can't say like we are better. We are doing better job, but well, Kai is well, I say speed, AI, and user control. That's like our core difference. We bring like institutional grade infrastructure to individual traders. Unlike pure DEXs, we offer deep liquidity, like and because we are like a centralized exchange, so we are more faster, absolutely, and we don't charge any gas fee, of course. Uh, Kai is like, well, was a was a Pro Tools meet like human first design. So we try to give our users the best experience by in trading, and we are listening to the users' opinions. You can just email us or send feedback on platform, and we will read it. You know, we have like a bunch of people, customer service that are doing these things 24/7. They never stopped. We are trying to offer the best trading experience to our users. That's our vision. That's our goal, and we will achieve it. Maybe just in short term, maybe like in a month, we're gonna fix a bunch of bugs and try to make our user experience into the next level.
Yes, got it. I think, like, guys, the Kai mission is to make it more simple and transparent for everyone to invest in
Yeah.
the world and, like, to build an intelligent, efficient, and also trusted trading platform for global users. That's their mission. They know how to work, when to work, where to work, actually. Thank you once again. So I got about another question about the trading bots. So do you plan to include automated trading tools or support it for bots or strategies?
Yeah, actually, we are doing that. Like, we are building a strategy hub for AI-driven and no-code tradings. Users can like run bots, sell limits, or plug in like pre-built models. And we want like automation without complexity. As I just said a lot of times, several times, trading should be feel like powerful, no painful. We want to make everything simple and and the automatic trading tools gonna be really help us to do that. Thank you.
Okay, I think we have another people, Terminus and Acidox. Guys, can you hear me?
Yep,
Hi
we are
guys, yes,
online.
we can hear
Hello,
you.
hello, everyone.
Okay, sorry guys. Like I thought that you were from the outside. No problem. So yeah, like could you guys introduce yourself first a bit about? Then I'll go for some questions. Terminus, could you introduce yourself first?
Sure, of course. So hi everyone. Thanks for the invite. Very happy to be here. Also happy to see Bogdan from Aesthetics again. Hi Bogdan. So my name is Alex. I am Chief Growth Officer at Terminus Network, and we are a PayFi solution that lets people spend their cryptocurrencies for everyday purchases in Southeast Asia. How it works is quite straightforward. You can connect any crypto wallet to our solution. Then you can walk into any shop, scan their existing QR code, and then you can pay with USDT, Ethereum, Solana, Bitcoin, any other cryptocurrencies for the goods that you want. And on the merchant side, they receive local currency directly into their bank accounts. Right now, we are operating in Vietnam and Thailand. So if you travel or if you are already in those countries, feel free to use our solution. And we want to expand to other Southeast Asian countries later on. Thank you.
Okay, thank you, Terminus, for your introduction. And also then goes to Asitux. Can you hear me? Could you please introduce yourself first?
Yes, hello, hello. Hear you well. Hello, everyone. And hi, Alex. Likewise, happy to be on the same space again. So my name is Bogdan. I'm the CEO of Assetux, and we are building a Telegram mini app where users can mine through the micro tasks our stablecoin to Bitcoin on network. So basically, what we are doing is we are trying to onboard Telegram users to crypto and blockchain through our social on-chain and off-chain task mining system that rewards with our stablecoin, which is stablecoin to Bitcoin called AAA BTC.
Okay,
Thank you.
thank you, guys. Thank you. Happy to know. So I have just some question about it. Like from the beginning, I can ask actually. So the question to you actually from the Terminus. So could you share a bit about your project vision? First of all, I would like to know about the Terminus and also the future of your project and how do you aim to revolutionize the crypto space?
Sure. So our main goal is to make crypto payment as easy as possible. And then in terms of geographical area, sorry, we are focusing on Southeast Asian countries. And if we get just started from the beginning, we are founded since 2021. At that time, that was the previous bull market. There were a lot of people owning cryptocurrencies, but at the same time, they couldn't use these cryptocurrencies to pay for a pizza, a coffee, whatever in the real world. So we really wanted to focus on this issue and then bring a solution for that. So now this is what we do again in Thailand and Vietnam, and we want to expand to other countries as well later on. And in terms of future, what we want to do is so to expand to other countries, we want to implement new AI features to our solution. We want to make partnerships with, because right now we are more focused on B2C, but we like to focus more on B2B. We will also make our TGE soon. And yeah, many things in the roadmap and yeah, happy to jump into all those different features as soon as possible.
Okay, thank you. Happy to know. So, guys, like if you want to know more, don't forget to follow their social actually. So back to as a tax actually. So I have another question for you. Could you share a bit about what is the mission in the crypto industry and also how do you want it to revolutionize in this space?
So our mission is to bring a utility token, which is stablecoin to Bitcoin. Why Bitcoin? Because everyone knows it, and we think that Telegram and Ton ecosystem is a it's already big now, and it will be even bigger because of the Telegram user base and its expansion as a super app. And um, our mission is to offer this derivative, which is AAA BTC, and through that token, user can access Bitcoin and um, redeem it through multiple options, like you can do it with Bitcoin, but just the only difference it's on the Ton blockchain, and you can access it directly from Telegram application. So yeah, we focusing the simplicity and onboarding of the new users to the Web3 space. Hello.
Where's our host?
Yeah. But maybe I can ask a question about Kai. I have a question.
Yeah, sure. Go ahead. Absolutely.
Yeah.
Mm-hmm.
So I didn't test the exchange yet, but what's your network that you focus on? For example, which networks I can do deposits from if I want to start trading futures on Kai?
Yeah, we support like all the main network, like Ethereum, Tron, Solana. I think it's like Polygon. Every main network we support them. Yeah.
Okay, nice. And do you support Telegram network, Ton?
I think we are focused on it right now because like we are not supported right now. I'm so sorry, but we will achieve that in the future. You know, we are supporting in the future.
I see.
Yeah.
Yeah, just asking because I think if we have the same goal in mind where the decentralization is more adopted as an idea and more people using cryptocurrency in the daily life, and also Terminus is working on the Southeast Asia, so we can just spend crypto in the daily life in the small shops and
Yeah.
restaurants. Yeah,
Just like a
and
Fed.
yeah. I think why I'm asking about Ton ecosystem, we actually were building most of our time since probably 2018. We were building on EVM ecosystems, but then we made the shift to Ton ecosystem because I think it's the best opportunity in terms of user base.
Yeah.
So that's why I'm asking.
Actually, we have our own public channel. Actually, it's also EVM based.
Oh, nice. Okay.
Yeah, it's called TOK. We have like nodes over the world. It's like proof of staking. Yeah, we are, but we still not sell our token yet. We're not selling our token. Yeah, we didn't do the TG
So,
yet.
what's your token? Is it now? What's the stage for the token?
So we already launched the token, and our own chain is like still in the testnet.
Okay, nice. And do you have any metrics or achievements from your testnet that you're proud of and can share?
Because I'm not like taking part of this kind of job because I'm like the Kaiser North American CEO. We are like separate project, but we are from the same company. I don't know much about. Yeah.
I see.
No.
So you
Yeah, sorry
focus
for that.
more on the exchange
This
part.
is, yeah, for the exchange.
Okay, nice.
Just like 5 minutes ago, the Bitcoin reached the highest price.
Yeah,
The peak
yeah,
price.
I noticed.
So excited.
And it's night time for you, I guess. You'll have a good sleep.
It's about like
after
1:30 a.m.
Bitcoin new
Yeah.
all-time high.
Yeah, make some money.
Nice.
But
Good
where are
for
the
you and
hosts?
good for the project. I don't know.
What?
No, I'm saying good for you and for project.
Thank you, appreciate that.
Hi guys, can you hear me? I'm sorry, it just kicked me out from the space trying to join. I'm sorry for this
No,
one.
no worries at all.
Okay, I have jumped through another account. So like you are talking about I can see some of their questions, but let me take it. No worries. Thank you. So like we are talking about the mission and vision of your. So back to first of all the terminus. Actually, I have another question for you. So like some of people are believe that derivatives trading is very crucial for the next wave of DeFi adoption because of security and others. So what is your opinion in this context?
Sorry, Matt, what is the question?
The question was about the derivatives. That is, why do you believe the derivatives trading is very crucial for the next wave of DeFi adoption?
This is because, as I mentioned before, I think derivatives can allow so many things. With derivatives, you can short, you can use leverage, you can, I think, do much more than in other markets. So I think this is why it's very powerful in terms of trading or even in terms of investment.
Okay, thank you, Alex, for your concern. So get back to asset tax actually. The Bogdan, could you like share your concern about this kind of derivatives contracts or derivative trading? Like, why do you believe this kind of the trading is very crucial for the next wave of DeFi adoption? And what is your opinion?
So I think that derivatives not only opens opportunities like leverage, but also since we cannot directly trade some assets, equities, stocks, tokenized items directly on the blockchain because it's a physical item. So derivatives also open things like gold and other commodities. So I think that's another big market. And I saw the news that other big players from the market they're launching new tokenized stocks. And that's also a derivative because you're not trading directly a stock, you're trading a derivative that are made up from that stock. So yeah, and I think that's another big market, and yeah, I think that's the main point because
Okay,
it's
got it.
a big
Yeah.
market, and I think it's a great opportunity to work on.
Yes, definitely. I think so. Thank you for your concern. So I can see like Dino is waiting from the Kai like too many times. So I need to do some kind of process shared activities. So one question to you, Dino, actually. The stable coins are booming, with the many companies entering the space. So is your Kai considering the launching its own stable coin or playing a larger role within the stable coin ecosystem?
Yeah, yeah. Actually, we're doing that right now. We are researching like a stable coin that fits our trading cost system, and I will tell you, it's gonna be packed on USD, so the US dollar. But we won't rush. It must be like scalable, like secure, and like must be multi-chain. Our aim isn't like copy the USDT, and we try to innovate it beyond that. Like when it's ready, we're gonna uh, publish some articles on Substack and on the news critics. We're gonna let everyone know that, and we are now still on progress. Yeah.
Okay, wish you good luck for the future and waiting for your coins and tokens for the future, actually. Thank you once again. So back to Alex. Alex, like you already answered the derivatives trading, but if I talk about some kind of misconception about the crypto future trading, so from your perspective, what are the biggest misconception that about the crypto futures trading that you think?
I think there are several misconceptions. The first one is that you can make a lot of money with leverage, because when you use leverage, it's way more. I'm sure everyone knows about that. So let's say that you use 100 times leverage and the price just moves like, let's say, 1% against you, then your portfolio is completely wiped out. So that's very risky. But then you have also, I think, other misconceptions. For example, future market is different than other markets because you're playing with other big players that can be market makers, for example, that can hunt for your stop losses. So if because those market makers, they have full visibility on all the take profits and stop loss level in the future market. So when a lot of traders set stops at, let's say, for Bitcoin 99,000 US dollars, then market makers can push the price there on purpose to liquidate you. And then you can see this big pump or dump based on I would say, proper stop loss levels. Then you have other misconception. For example, you see those big buy and sell walls in the order book. You think that they are real, but they are, I think, mostly fake because they usually disappear when the price gets close to that level. And also, I'm sure Kai is doing that differently, but exchanges will try to make you trade as much as possible in order to earn money from the fees for each transactions. And that's also something that is, I think, concerning in this derivative market because people tend to trade way more than a simple investment of, let's say, I buy Bitcoin now and I will just wait for the next 10 years.
Okay, got it. Thank you, Alex, for sharing with us. So I think some of the biggest misconception about the crypto future trading, the purely that the high risk gambling and other tools so on. So back to Esotax actually, could you share some of the your perspective? What are the biggest misconceptions about the crypto future trading?
Um, to be honest, I don't have anything that coming up to the mind. Maybe I'm not speaking enough with the futures trading, and I haven't heard any of the misconceptions. So I will skip that one, I guess.
Okay, no issue. Thank you, by the way. So yeah, I can take I think we pretty much covered about some of the introductory part. So I have collected some questions. I was asking that time, but here is another question. The non-crypto users is very important sometimes actually. So if I talk about this kind of non-crypto or the non-technical users, so what's your strategy for onboarding non-crypto natives into the contract trading? So back to Dino, could you share?
Okay, it's my turn, right?
Yes.
I would say, I heard a story like about 2 years ago. Some kind of like professional trader, he makes about 2 million US dollar from just 2,000 US dollar by the contract trading. And it's crazy. It's really exploded my mind at the time, and I I started to trade when I heard this kind of news, and of course I make money. I turned about 1,000 US dollar to like about 10,000. But it's risky. You of course you're gonna lose money sometime. You're not always fortunate, lucky all the time. But for those non-crypto users, I would like to say it's a very good investment for the next 10 years or even 10 decades. uh, it's not only about money, it's about how you see the financial industry. We are like a game changer, Web3 is like a game changer. Crypto coins, crypto tokens, the contract trading, you can do like 100 leverage. You can make $1 to $100, right? So you have a lot of opportunities for those people who never tried it before. And everyone want to be wealthy, so that's our our plane.
Okay, got it. So, Terminus Alex, what is your concern? Like, how do you plan to onboard this kind of non-crypto people?
Well, I think that's tricky because this trading world is very difficult to handle. I think the first advice is to first, when you start, be more a momentum trader. So when you see a big trend, then you should, I think, follow it and play with the market instead of against the market, compared to mean reversion trading systems that plays the strategy that whenever the price is going too far from the average, then you think that it should go back. But instead of using this strategy, I think it's better to use momentum strategies that's simpler. So something basic, you can go to Bitcoin, you can choose the time frame that you want, maybe 1 minute or better, I think 1 hour open high low close candles because there is less volatility than in the 1 minute candlestick pattern. And then you can apply a simple 200 moving average, for example. And if you see the price up to this moving average, you can try to find some um, entry points to enter long into Bitcoin, for example. Um, yeah, that would be something. Also, try to avoid coins that lack of liquidity because there will be a huge spread if you enter at a certain price. Then the time for your order to be completed, that will take some time. So you should avoid tokens with low liquidity. You should always also avoid tokens with no historical data because this is hard to spot the trend, to spot good entry points and exit points. And the last advice is stop loss. I think when you speak at many professional traders, they say that stop loss is not good because you are always triggered to this stop loss before the price is pushing again up. But when you're starting, I think stop loss are very important. And those stop loss should be based on technical leverage, I mean, on technical levels that you see from, chart patterns. So those are just examples. It can, I just give some examples, but yeah, I hope it can help. Thank you.
Okay, thank you. So back to Asatax. Could you share about your concern actually? How do you want to onboard this kind of non-crypto people? Like, what are your marketing strategies that you have taken?
Yeah, sure. So we target non-crypto people the from the Telegram app, like I already mentioned. So our microtask mining is like a game with a limited energy and with different prices, with small chance and with high chance. You can get different price. So you have energy. Once you run out of energy, you can refill the energy. So it's a gamified version of um, different tasks and subjects to learn about crypto. So once user complete those tasks, we release them a reward. And so those tasks, they are available for non-crypto people because we're trying to make them small and simple to complete, not taking a lot of time to read through all the quest terms and conditions and so on. But instead of this, just small, simple task that takes maybe 10 to 20 seconds to complete. And then the user has a token, and our token is stablecoin to Bitcoin. So you can always check the Bitcoin price, and AAA BTC will be the same price. So, and then you have a Bitcoin on your Telegram application. So that's a very simple path for the non-crypto user to be onboarded to the Web3 space, because once they completed some tasks, they earn some tokens, and then with those tokens, they can already start the crypto journey. They can, let's say, spend them to redeem for the offline services, or they can make a top up on the derivatives exchange, and let's say you won through the micro task, you won 5 USD in Bitcoin, and then you top up the futures exchange, and then you can turn $5 to 500 if you're lucky. I don't know, maybe you are a good trader and you have a great future for that. But what our part is, just to help non-crypto user understand how they can use crypto, try out some small tasks, see some content, watch some videos, guides, and so on. And then once they have some tokens, they can start trying and playing around in the crypto space. Yeah, that's it.
Okay, thank you. I think it's very important, like when you are trying to onboarding non-crypto users, like guys, they are providing some kind of tutorial videos. If you don't know anything about the crypto, they'll teach you, and also they're providing, I can say a lot of airdrop events, and also you can take part actually if you want to grab these opportunities and do your own research if you want to know more in details. So thank you all of you guys for answering all of my questions. So it's time to take one or two questions from audience. I can see. Ben is here. Hi, Ben. Can you hear me?
Yeah, hi, I'm audible.
Yes, Ben, you are audible. So we have three projects today. So if you have any questions to them, you can ask directly and mention their name.
Yeah, I have a question for Kai. I want to know, in an area where cybersecurity threats are rampant, so what advanced security measure have you implemented to protect user assets and data? And also, can you share any recent enhancements made to bolster the security protocols? Secondly, I want to know, like, when it comes to KYC, like, is it compulsory? Like, is it a must? Like, I must have done my KYC before trading on your platform.
Sorry, what's the question about KYC again? I didn't hear it clearly.
Like, when it comes to the KYC, like, is it compulsory? I must have done my KYC before trading on your platform, like before making withdrawals and
Oh,
withdrawals
okay,
on your
okay,
platform.
got it. Okay, I'll answer the first question first. So, we are trying to make AI integrated across like risk alert, signal generation, and portfolio adjustment. So we are trying to integrate AI into our system. We believe like the future traders like human-led but AI augmented. So we want to do our best to protect your assets. We have license in America, in European Union, and every single assets we have, we are showing like on our website. We have like reserve money. Uh, so we are letting AI to do the risk management. Yeah, we think this is totally enough for now. Maybe in the future when we like reach a huge amount user groups, we can find another like better solutions. We're gonna find it out. But right now, I would just say your assets in the car is totally safe.
All right, thank you very much.
Yeah, for the KYC, sorry, I got it. Yeah, you have to complete the KYC before trading. Unfortunately, yes.
All right, thank you very much.
Okay. Thank you, Ben, for your question, and also thank you for your answer. So I can get another question. So, Doctor, are you there, Doctor Don?
Yes, yes. Can I ask
Uh,
my question?
yeah, first year, ask a question to like our speakers. Just go ahead.
Okay. What is your strongest advantage that you think will make your team leading the market? That's my question.
I think everyone can take this question because it's very important. So, Alex, you can go first with this one. Like, what makes your team that is strongest in the market?
Yeah, in terms of our team, well, again, we are a pay-fi solution. So whenever you have cryptos, you can use Terminus to pay anything you want in Vietnam and Thailand for now. And then why our team is, I think, stronger than other projects is just to give you an example, we have three different teams in three different areas. We have, of course, our tech team, but then we also have one team in Vietnam, one team in Thailand to handle all the operationals on that side. And something that is very a key point for us at Terminus and why it's different than other pay-fi solutions out there is that we leverage this pre-existing, I would like to say, Web2 payment system that are QR codes. So if you've already been to Southeast Asia, you might seen all those different QR codes that you see in any merchants. And we wanted to leverage that. So with our solution, instead of connecting your bank account to this QR code payment system, now you can connect your crypto wallet to this QR code payment system. By doing that, 80% or even 90% of the shop owners that are in Southeast Asia already have this QR code, and they can actually now accept cryptocurrencies as a payment. They don't need to install any new hardware. They don't need to to install a new software to pay fees to have an application. They don't even need to have a crypto wallet. No, nothing. As long as they have those QR code, they can receive crypto payments. Yeah, that's my take on this question. Thank you.
Okay,
Great
thank
answer.
you, Alex. Yeah, Mr. Don, thank you. And also back to as a text, Bogdan, could you share about your concern?
Sorry, can you repeat the question? Concern of what?
I think it was about like what makes you really different or what makes your team strongest in the market.
Okay. I guess our strengths in terms of team, that we are decentralized, and we all coming with freelance background. So we were working for the crypto space for a while, and we're building different products and implementing different strategies. Then also we have good technical background as we participated in the development of several projects that I think still around top 1000 coin market cap or maybe even higher. So yeah, we are in the space and we are working to solve the clear solution of the Bitcoin and cryptocurrency adoption. It needs more users, needs more ways how it can be spent. Just like Alex mentioned, that it will be great to spend Bitcoin directly in the offline shop across Southeast Asia, just by scanning QR code. I think that's very neat. So yeah, that's it. I think we are competitive. We are on the growing market. Then we have also a good go-to-market strategy and clear opportunity how the market is growing. Like I was already mentioning, the Ton space, the Ton blockchain, it's growing because Telegram is bringing more users to the Ton ecosystem, and we are building a stablecoin to Bitcoin on that ecosystem and allowing multiple options how people can redeem it and spend it across the world. So that's our strengths.
Okay, thank you. Wish you good luck. So next one, I can see Ilham Hockey. Are you there?
GM, thank you for having me. Okay, so my question is, with the risk of AI-driven trading bots in crypto market, How is KAE Exchange prepared to integrate or compete with such technology, and what ethical considerations should be addressed?
Okay, so I guess you're asking Kai, right? Kai Exchange.
Yes,
So I think I just said it before. Well, we are doing AI integrating to the risk alerts, signal generation, portfolio adjustments. We believe that AI can act as like a co-pilot in user trading, and that's why we are building Kai as an AI native platform from the first day we started this platform. And you just said like a SQL issue. I don't think it's gonna involve in any of the no SQL issue, of course. Obviously, because AI just to help you do the strategy, and we have copy trading as well. We have a lot of the best traders in the world that are trading in the car. You can just follow their strategies, uh, and then you can make money. Very easy, very simple.
Thank you, Ilham, for your question. And another last one, I can see your CEO. Hi, CEO. Could you ask your question? Hello, CEO.
Okay, okay. Thank you. Uh, Opportunity. My question is, according to the roadmap, projects roadmaps, what are your most important next period or properties?
So, CEO, the question for which one? Could you mention their name?
Okay. I also again question. According to the project's roadmaps, what are your most important next properties?
Okay, I think everyone can take this one. So, Alex, could you share like what are your next priorities or according to your roadmap, next plan?
Yeah,
Yes.
first we have our TGE, but then I think the main points in our roadmap is to expand to other countries. That might be Malaysia, then Indonesia, then Philippines, then Japan. Basically, any countries that have this already QR code payment system out there. Uh, so yeah, this is what we have in our roadmap currently.
Okay, thank you. So, the next one, okay. So, Dino, could you share something about your future plan, like according to your roadmap, what that you have in your mind?
Okay, so I'll share something. What upgrades coming Q3? Okay, so I would like to say new trading pairs. So right now our contract trading we already include a lot of very I would say not that hot tokens, some meme coins, yeah, and also smarter Kobe tradings and then like a sneak peek of our stablecoin system. We've been like working silently, and we are not like trying to make things fast. We wanna we are looking for the quality of our product. We want to make things better. So maybe there won't be a very huge upgrade in Q3, but I will say what I can promise is you can have a better experience in the next few months. Yeah, in our platform.
Okay, so what about the like your asset tax actually?
Yeah, so in the coming few months, our application will be back to life with the new features. If we have our old users on the space, then you probably remember we had I6 token, which was a testnet token, and we still didn't relaunch our app on the mainnet where the AAA BTC takes into action and allows user to spend it into various ways. Um, so yeah, that's the upcoming thing in our roadmap. Um,
Okay, thank you. So I think we pretty much covered everything.
Sorry,
So
I have
guys,
one more thing. One more thing.
yes, yeah, Diana. And also I got one question about you. So should I go ahead with
Our
this question?
so we're gonna attend the Malaysian Blockchain Week for the Kai exchange, and um, I mean we're gonna focus on the Southeast Asian market as now as our priority. So this is I forgot to say that just now.
Okay, congratulations on this one. Thank you. So one last question I got from the comment actually. I think I should like need to take this. So with 100 million backing and the military grade security, how the Kai plan to address the growing demand for regulatory compliance in the crypto future trading, especially in regions like US, EV, while maintaining its competitive edge in speed and the both retail and institutional traders.
Sorry, can you be slow? Like, what is our reaction
Okay,
to the
okay.
yeah?
So
It's a little bit
with
fast, yeah.
100 million backing and military grade security, how
Mhm.
your Kai plan to address the growing demand for regulatory complaints in the crypto future trading, especially in like USA or EV?
Okay. So we have lessons in US and EU, of course. Uh, and what we can do is try to first, we want to make sure we are doing things legally in every region, and we don't want to be risky, of course. So, that's right. Uh, we we think like for those institutional partners, we can like offer some like white labor SaaS and also custom reporting for the retail users, like for the normal users. We want to preserve like a seamless UX and layer with like optional compliance features and based on the area the user set. We have the landing page. We actually want to do customized experience for people from different countries. Um, and now I can say that we are actively engaging with those lawyers based in US and EU, and build like in region specific KYC modules and like trade history transparency, and also audited risk engines. Yeah. Thank you.
Okay, thank you, thank you. So I think we are enough for now. I don't want to make it more longer actually. So thank you, like everyone who are listening today, and thank you. And also don't forget to join their community. So any suggestion or anything else that you want to say before wrapping this session, Alex?
Sure. Feel free to follow us on X, Terminus_POS, where you have all our updates. And again, if you travel or if you are already in Vietnam or Thailand, feel free to use Terminus as long as you have cryptos to spend over there for anything you want. And yeah, again, thank you for the invitation. That was also very interesting to hear from Daniel from Kai, because especially in terms of how to implement AI in our trading systems, I feel like it's a very interesting topic
Thank
that
you,
might be
Alex.
for future AMA. And yeah, thank you so much. See you next time.
Okay, thank you. So Bogdan, do you have anything else?
Yeah, thanks for the invitation. I think it was a great space, and it's a pleasure to meet new projects and be on the space with the old friends like Terminus. Yeah, just stay
Sure.
tuned for the AAA BTC updates and our mainnet launch. And yeah, don't be shy to try derivatives, learn about them, come up with your own ideas, and happy trading.
Okay, thank you. So Danielle, anything else?
I wanna thank everyone here because it's my second time to attend AMA event. Really excited, and Still a little bit nervous. I want to say I lost. Hope everyone can follow our X account, which is Kai Change. We're just down Kai and starting trading right now. You know, Bitcoin's price is getting crazy right now in the market, and we want everyone to experience the real freedom in the crypto world. Thank you so much.
Okay, definitely. Thank you guys for having here for your time, and thank you, CryptoTalks, for this arrangement. And nice to see you. And also hope for the best for the future. Thank you, everyone. Bye.
Thank you. Bye.
Bye.
Thank you.